Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Determine whether y equals x squared minus 4 represents a function. The first thing we'll need to do is complete the chart and generate a list of ordered pairs. And we're going to plot the ordered pairs and connect those points with a smooth curve. And then we're going to test the graph using the vertical line test. Okay, so back to the first step. Let's choose some values for x. Let's let x be -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And let's find the corresponding y values by substituting into the expression y equals x squared minus 4. I'm going to write that here. Y equals x squared minus 4. That's the given equation. Okay, in this first instance, we're going to substitute in -2 for x. -2, the quantity squared is 4, minus 4 is 0. So we have the ordered pair, -2, 0. Now we'll go back and replace the x with -1. -1, the quantity squared is 1, minus 4 is -3. Generating the ordered pair -1, -3. Our next substitution will replace x with 0. 0 squared is 0, minus 4 is -4. So when x is 0, y is -4. Now we'll substitute in a 1 for the x. 1 squared is 1, minus 4 is -3. So when x is 1, y is -3. And finally, our last substitution, we'll put a 2 in place of the x. 2 squared is 4, minus 4 is 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. We've generated our list of ordered pairs, so now let's plot those. -2, 0. -1, -3. 0, -4. 1, -3, and 2, 0 would be right there. Alrighty, now that we have our points, let's connect them with a smooth curve. Alrighty, so we've generated a list of ordered pairs, plotted the ordered pairs to get points, connected the points with a smooth curve. Now we want to see if this equation represents a function. I said earlier we're going to use the vertical line test. Now, watch as I draw imaginary vertical lines over and over again as I move across the coordinate plane. Notice how the vertical lines are intersecting the points on the graph. You will notice that for every value of x, the vertical line passes through no more than one point on the graph. So we say that the graph passes the vertical line test, and in doing so, it represents a function. So does y equal x squared minus 4 represent a function? It does, because it passed the vertical line test.